When considering home improvement projects, window replacement is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your Redmond home. Not only does it enhance the aesthetics and functionality of your property, but it can also significantly increase your home's market value. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply looking to improve your home for the long term, investing in new windows can provide a substantial return on investment. In this article, we'll explore how window replacement can improve the value of your Redmond home and why it's a smart choice for homeowners looking to boost their property's appeal, energy efficiency, and overall marketability. Improved curb appeal. First impressions matter, and windows play a central role in the curb appeal of your home. If your windows are outdated, cracked, or worn, they can detract from your home's exterior, making it look less inviting. On the other hand, installing new windows with modern designs and high-quality materials can drastically improve your home's exterior, enhancing its overall appearance. Modern aesthetics. New windows come in a wide variety of styles, including double-hung, casement, picture, and sliding windows, allowing you to select options that best complement the architectural style of your Redmond home. Energy-efficient windows, with sleek frames and clean lines, can give your home a modern, updated look that catches the eye of potential buyers. Fresh, polished look. Replacing old, faded, or damaged windows with new ones gives your home a fresh, polished appearance. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more attractive home, this improvement will make a noticeable difference in your home's curb appeal. Enhanced energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a key consideration for many home buyers, especially in climates like Redmond's, where cold winters and warm summers can make heating and cooling a significant expense. Energy-efficient windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, helping your home stay comfortable year-round without overworking your heating or cooling system. Lower utility bills. By upgrading to double-pane or triple-pane windows with low E coatings, you can reduce the amount of heat lost during the winter and keep cool air inside during the summer. This leads to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment, which is especially appealing to potential buyers looking to save on energy costs. Increased home comfort. New windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, eliminating drafts and cold spots. For homeowners, this means more comfort, while for buyers, it adds another layer of value by improving the overall livability of the home. Increased home value. One of the most direct impacts of window replacement is the potential for increased home value. Real estate experts agree that home improvements that enhance a home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, and functionality typically lead to higher appraisals and more attractive offers from potential buyers. Here's how new windows can affect your home's market value. High return on investment, ROI. According to many studies, window replacement is one of the top home improvement projects in terms of ROI. For example, a national report from the National Association of Realtors suggests that homeowners can expect to recoup approximately 70% to 80% of the cost of window replacement when they sell their home. In Redmond, where modern design and energy efficiency are in demand, you could see an even higher return. Appeal to buyers. When prospective buyers walk through your home, they're often looking for features that will save them money and reduce maintenance in the long run. New windows are a sign that the home is well maintained and up to date, which can make it more attractive compared to other homes on the market. Improved home security. Security is a top concern for many homeowners, and windows play a crucial role in keeping your home safe. Older windows, especially those with worn-out locks or single panes, may be easier to break into. By replacing these with modern, secure windows, you increase the safety of your home, which adds value. Stronger frames and locks. Modern windows come with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass, making them harder to break or tamper with. These features provide peace of mind to homeowners and potential buyers, knowing that their home is secure. Durability. New windows are built to withstand the elements and provide lasting security. This long-term durability makes them an attractive investment for anyone looking to increase the security and longevity of their home. Reduced maintenance costs. Over time, older windows can become a maintenance burden. They may require regular painting, sealing, or repairing, and they might develop problems such as leaky seals or rotting frames. New windows require much less maintenance, offering peace of mind to homeowners and potential buyers alike. Low-maintenance materials. Many modern windows are made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, all of which are highly durable and require minimal upkeep. These materials resist warping, cracking, and fading, reducing the amount of maintenance your home requires. Long-lasting performance. New windows are designed to perform well for many years without needing constant attention, which is a major selling point for potential buyers who want a home that's easy to maintain. Noise reduction. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a main road, noise pollution can be a significant issue. New, energy-efficient windows with soundproofing features can reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home, creating a more peaceful environment. Quieter living spaces. Noise reduction is an often overlooked benefit of new windows, but it can greatly improve your quality of life and enhance your home's appeal to potential buyers who value a quiet, restful home environment. Conclusion. Window replacement is one of the most effective ways to boost your Redmond home's value. From improving curb appeal and enhancing energy efficiency to increasing security and reducing maintenance, the benefits of new windows are numerous. Whether you plan to sell soon or are simply looking to improve your home's functionality and aesthetics, investing in new windows is a smart decision that can provide long-term value and a high return on investment. By choosing high-quality, energy-efficient windows, you're not just upgrading your home, you're enhancing its overall appeal and making it a more attractive option for future buyers.